Well, some of the hot glue is holding on. It's a bit problematic. It's a bit problematic to do this, because you've got to wait until it sets, yeah. But one thing on the material, on the screen material, it will peel off. So whether gravity, so I'm going to have to work out a lot of problematics here. But to get it, to attach, is not any, it's not going to ruin this screen. And the screen was cheap. I could get the same thing again cheap. Don't have to spend out these stupid amount of money for some of these £1,000 dollar projection screens. It's totally unnecessary for 120, 200 inches, whatever. It's unnecessary. It's just throwing money away when you just get something like what I've got and it does the same thing. Anyway, but it doesn't do any, because this hot glue, it will peel off. They've got to give it a little pull and it'll just come off. But I cable tie some of it going up, and then I'm just going to take it over left to right, and down the screen. So I'm just going to do a pre-check. So it's just a pre-check test. I just got to see how this is looking. I'm not too sure about the top. At the top, not too sure. It's going to take a bit of trial and error. This is pretty awkward. It's pretty awkward to do this. What's it like with the light on? Well, I can obviously see a big blob of the fibre optic there yet, because they're not evenly spread out. With the light up at the front, and I think, oh gosh, how many watts is this thing? Because if it's running DC 12 volt, the lamp is probably not that bright, or the LED, I would say. It's probably an LED with a coloured light, or whatever is inside the box. It's probably easy to modify it, I would say. I think maybe, because light doesn't really matter. I could figure a way to have a bit more intensity, but I'll just see how it gets together. I mean, so far the hot glue's holding the other ones up there. Zoom in. You just see the colours moving around. The colours come up weird on the camera here. Not how my eye sees it, because the camera's exaggerating some of the colour slightly. But yeah, it's going to take a bit of a trial and error. This. Some people say it's value, whatever. But not a bit like that cinema I saw, because there are people that design lighting systems, day and night and day sort of thing, This is my first attempt, so it's just like them. And when they were doing it, it's their first attempt, and then they get better and better and better at it. So I'll just have to figure it out. I can't hear the motor mechanism behind the screen, but once it's got music playing with this, it should do a dancing effect or whatever. At the moment, it's just on some sort of whatever mode. It's not even on music mode or whatever. I think that's turned off at the moment. I think the motor speed only goes so fast. You got the RGB, blur and white. Let's just put white on. There's white, there's blue, there's green. And I thought, oh yeah, there is infrared there. So I don't know how it's picking up the signal, unless it's on some sort of RF or whatever. But apparently, I'm pointing the, just at the screen. It seems to, because I thought, So yeah, I was just checking here with a video camera to see, yeah, there's the infrared.